Have you ever thought that you can make money by using DeepSeek AI? If so, then you're at the correct place, because today I will be telling you about a method by which you can earn a lot of money by using DeepSeek AI. So you might have tried a lot of things here and there, like freelancing and a lot of stuff, and if you haven't found your success, then you're at the correct place, because today I will be showing you a hidden way by which you can earn a ton of money. Just don't skip the video, watch the full video, and this video will be divided on two parts. So this is the first part, and guys, please subscribe to the channel. So let's begin the video. So a lot of you out there might know that we have Facebook, YouTube and Instagram by which you can earn money, but there is another platform where you can earn money, and that's called Blogger. But there's a one catch in Blogger, and that is you need to write your own blog topics. Like if you like cooking, you can just straight up share your recipes online. You can just explain your step by step method for your cooking. So you can just do this type of things that you can share on Blogger, and by which you can earn money. But today I'm gonna be showing you a method where you don't need to share your own experience or something that needs creativity. You can just straight up go to DeepSeek and follow my steps by which you can easily earn money. And the most important thing is that this is a passive income earning way, so you can just do it for like 30 minutes a day, and after doing that you can just simply enjoy your free passive income. So guys, let's start the full steps now. So don't skip the video from here, watch it carefully, okay guys. So at first we need to open our browser, and after opening the browser I am here at the DeepSeek website, and here I will explain the AI about my needs for the website name. And so I am just putting some basic commands here, and these commands will tell the AI what I am looking for. So after inputting this, AI will recommend me a huge ton of names for my blogger. So after getting those names, I will just scroll through and look for the best ones appropriate for my blog. If you are creating your blog about a particular niche, just type about it in the chat that I need a name from this type of niche. So the DeepSeek AI will recommend you the most suitable nicknames or the blog names which will be appropriate for your audience. As I have found my own favorite nickname here, and I'm gonna copy it and post it on the Blogger website. And guys, all of these links will be given in the description box. So if you are looking for this stuff, you know where to find it. So that's it. So here you need to provide a domain name. You can just simply copy and paste the previous one which you got from the DeepSeek AI, and if it shows that it is not available, you can just write a few words or one or two digits number to get it available. So after saving it, you just need to copy paste that name again for the display area name, and after saving that, your blogger setup has been done. I will show how to customize the blogger in my part 2 video. As this is the first part, I'm gonna show the basic stuff. So after setting up the blog, now we need to post our content. Previously we needed to like type 1000 words by our own self, and we needed to put a lot of hard work to make a blog content. But now with DeepSeek AI, we don't need to put any hard work in this content generation. We just need to input a few commands here, and the DeepSeek AI will just generate it by itself. As you can see, I have like typed a few commands like generate a 1000 word about a random topic for my blogger content. So after typing this, DeepSeek AI is just typing his own way, and after it finishes, you just need to copy it and post it on the blogger. So this is the easiest way to make money currently. And guys, this requires like zero effort. Previously we need to put a lot of effort in this stuff, but now it is so easy. So after it finishes its generation, we just need to copy it from the place where it started to write. But I'm gonna like leave out the first line for the heading and gonna copy the next text until the end for my body part. So here I just copied everything, and you can see in the body part I just pasted everything. But you can see here it's just blacked up, but the content is still there, so don't panic, and you can just simply like leave it like this way. So don't worry, and let's go back and take that first text which DeepSeek wrote for the heading, and I'm gonna just copy and paste it on the heading section over here. So here let's go back and just copy that heading. Here it is, so I am copying it and I'm gonna just paste it over here. So this was our first content here. But now if you wanna make this like a little bit upscaled, you can use AI image generation tools to make the content more readable for the viewers. So now I'm gonna show you the method by which you can add images. So here I'm gonna input another command in DeepSeek, and that is I'm gonna ask DeepSeek to make a prompt for an AI image generation tool which can help me to create random images. By using this way, we don't need to pay for shutter images or random stock images out there. You can just simply get free images generated by AI itself. So here, after posting the prompt, I'm gonna wait for DeepSeek to reply it, and I'm gonna use that prompt in online image generation AI tools. After DeepSeek replies the prompt, now I will show you another website which you need to use if you want to make your blog content more readable. So here you can see the website, it's called Leonardo AI, and it is a free image generation tool. Not free, I mean there are some paid plans, but if you know the trick, you can use this website forever, literally forever. So here DeepSeek has responded to me with a lot of prompts. I'm gonna just copy the first one to show you that how this works. So I'm gonna copy that prompt here. So let's copy this prompt. Okay, after copying it here, you can see that we need to paste it over here. So I'm gonna just delete the previous ones and paste that prompt here. And after pasting it here, just generate the prompt. After clicking on the generation button, it will take around like 10 seconds minimum, or it might be faster for your case. It depends on your PC specs maybe. So after waiting for a few seconds, you can see it generated like 4 types of images here. So I'm gonna look for the best one which suits my blog. So I think this picture will suit my blog. So I'm gonna just copy this and go to a random place where I think this picture will be appropriate, and paste this picture on my blogger. So this is so simple, you don't need to do like heavy editing or stuff. You can just use that Leonardo website for free. And as you can see, I have got an image here. So if you add like 5 to 6 images like this step, like by following this step, you can just simply make your blog content more readable. So we just made our first blog content here. So for making money, you need to like post 20 blog content, and after that you need to add AdSense. So before adding AdSense, I'm going to talk about another thing, is that if you think 20 posts are a lot of hard work, then don't be surprised. Like if you take like 2 minutes minimum for a single post, you can create like 20 minutes. In 20 minutes you can create 10 posts. And if you give like 1 hour of your time, you can simply create like 20 posts easily. So that's that easy. And after getting 20 posts, you can make your AdSense account super easy. And I won't show you the full process of making AdSense account. You can just simply search on YouTube like how to make an AdSense account, and there are a lot of guides over there. You can just follow it. And guys, after making your AdSense account, one more important step, and that is I mean, you can get free AdSense access with blogger.com, but if you want faster results, you need to buy domain. So this is one of the catch for this video. Like you need to spend like $9 over year to buy a domain, and I think this is a worthy investment if you want to. Or if you don't want to, you can simply stick with blogger.com. You don't need to buy the any domain. So if you have any doubts, be sure to comment on the comment section. I will try to answer them. And guys, if you have any questions like how to start a blogger or something like that, and if you are not cleared from this video, you can just simply go to YouTube and search how to start your blogger career. It's super easy, but the method which I showed you in this video is very like useful for those guys who don't want to put hard work in blogger. You can simply go to DeepSeek and just type random things which you want, and DeepSeek will provide you those stuff. So this is a cheat way, I mean shortcut way to make money online with blogger. So guys, if you like this video, please subscribe to this channel, cause part 2 will be good, and in part 2 I will show you how to customize your blogger and how to set up AdSense. So this is it. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.